Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Thank you for coming back. Today's video will be a diamond painting unboxing, unbagging to show you how it looks, how it comes, all that stuff. I also show progress on diamond paintings. I show you finishes when I have finishes. I love to talk crochet and yarn. I have a crochet along on Friday afternoons. We're always working on a project there. Excuse me, something in my throat. And then on Tuesday nights, I get to talk books with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds when we do our book live. So if those things are of interest to you, I hope you stick around, peck around on my channel. I do have some nice playlists for things like that, and watch some videos. I appreciate it. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, let me say thank you to FGNORMAL for letting me pick out some things that they sent my way. And I will have these items listed below so you can find them quickly and easily if you're interested. Okay, let's move this aside and let's get started with all the goodness we have here. We got some good stuff. All right, this is what your typical toolkit will look like that comes with these kits. And this is a little 30 by 30. Super cute. Let me zoom you in because it's pretty small. I loved this. There were a few like trees with sceneries. I love that they have a background here. This is all printed on here. The trees, the water, the sky, that's all printed. So we don't have a plain white background. And then this beautiful tree is just like leaning over. Very beautiful. Look at all of these special drills. All of these are special drills in here for all of these like petals for these leaves. It's going to be gorgeous. There are 9 different drills. Looks like maybe 4 are special drills. We'll find out in a second. I love that. I'm always amazed by trees and how they grow. Look at this one. Look at the angle of it. Look how twisted and leaning it is. It reminds me of our crabapple trees. It could be a crabapple tree. I don't know. But it always amazes me how they grow. So here's what we have. Gold rhinestones, pink, clear, green, and brown. Well, perfectly fitting. Exactly what I would expect. Okay, then here's our special drills. We have some orange round faceted. They're AB coated, very pretty. These pretty little pink teardrops, those are going to be flower petals. Oh, these are beautiful. Another teardrop, clear, but it's AB coated. Those are going to be for the white petals, beautiful. And then we have these. Those are pretty as well. Those are red AB coated. Beautiful, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm loving that one. I think it's gorgeous. All right. You might notice kind of a little trend lately since I've gotten kitties. I'm kind of obsessed with kitty things. And this one's adorable, right? It is so cute. Look at that little kitty. Look at all the flowers. This looks like water, maybe. I don't know why it would be water. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. It looks like water to me. But anyhow, cute kitty. We got a sun, some butterflies, stars, stuff like that. And the flowers. All those flowers all over that kitty. Super cute. 9 different types of drills for this. And of course, first we have to have a pause because I'm choking on something this morning. And now I have a dog at my feet whining. So I might show you these drills and take a pause. All right, gold rhinestones, green, clear, a very light yellow, brown. Now here's the specials. Gold faceted, yellow pearls. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, my snowflakes in like a creamy color. Those are very pretty. And then a whole bunch of little gold marquees with AB coating on them. Love that. This is so cute. I love it. Super, super cute. All right, let me pause and take care of the dog now because, you know, I'm here to serve these animals. Okay, our third go here. Okay, let's see if we can make it through the rest of this without an interruption. How pretty is that? I love the colors. Absolutely love all that color. You know me, I love sunflowers. And I love all of this. Look at the pinks and the blues and the purples. It's just gorgeous. And it's on just a black background, which I'm good with a black background because with all of those colors. The black will make all of those colors just pop right off. This has, oh my goodness, I don't even know how many. 8. I'm assuming it's going to have 8 rhinestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills. There we go. Let's check them out. Bet we're going to get a lot of color. Oh my. Wait until you see what's in here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, clear, green, light pink, dark pink, a lot of yellow, of course, some orange, some blue, some purple, and another purple. There's our rhinestones, okay? All those beautiful colors. Look at these bad boys right here. Hello, are they gorgeous or what? It's going to be all of these bees, those dots. Oh my goodness, aren't those cool? I'm excited to do this one. Oh my goodness. We have gold marquees. We have some large pink teardrops with AB coating. Love those. And then look at these. You know where those are going? Some big old sunflower petals. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so hard to open these and fall in love with them and just not have time to do all of them. I'm going to have to start setting aside some that I gasp at, like that one. Set them aside and just figure out a time to work on them. I can't work on all of them, but, you know, I can try to work on some of the really special, awe-inspiring ones. Okay, so this is a stand. Film on both sides. Take that off. It's really nice and shiny when you take off the film. And look at this. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. Very fall, right? I love that. All the pumpkins, the lantern, the bird, the leaves. Isn't that pretty? I think that's a pine cone even. Isn't it pretty though? I loved this. I think that is so nice. Very fall. I don't have a lot of fall diamond painting like decoration, so I'm happy to get that one. I would like to do that one. I'll keep that one. That one's not going to go to any sale. I'm going to keep that one. Let's look at drills. I see numbers at least up to 11. Let's see what we get. All right. Ready for some fall colors? There's like a gray, an orange, a dark orange, another darker gray, kind of just brown, a clear. Okay, we have 3 of those, large faceted gold. There's our famous orange claws, some little white pearls. What color are they? What color are you? Gold. 2 little gold marquees there. And then look, we have orange shards. Oh, they're going in the pumpkins. Oh, that is cool. Oh, you guys, sometimes I'm just like, stuff is so awesome. I fall in love with it so hard. I'm in love. And I got a kitty attacking my chair. Okay. Here she is. This is her little kitty. Kitty. Now she's in the chair. Okay, great. Okay, so there's what we have. Thank you, FGNORMAL. And let me know what you think. Let me zoom you out a little so you can get a better look at all of them. There they are. Some real beauties there. I'm telling you, this was a good order. I love this order. I love this order a lot. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that like button, subscribe, all those things. Check out membership, super thanks, all the fun things. And I appreciate you so much. It's because of you that I can keep doing this. If you weren't here, I wouldn't be doing this, right? Thank you so much. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.